Hi guys, it is your girl A. Marie on this lovely Wednesday, guys. And I told you guys I was going to go to the fabric store. I was going to pick up some amazing fabric and we was going to do a sew along. And guys, what I try to do, I try to speed the videos up so they're not so long and drawn out. So basically for this dress is trending all over the internet, guys. And I try to take something that's trending and I make it for you guys. So basically you would need, depending on your height and how long you want the drape in the back, you would need 2 to 3 yards of fabric. So the bottom of the skirt, guys, I need you guys, and I've already prepped mine and got that ready. I need you guys to take a pencil skirt that you guys own and cut out the pattern for your pencil skirt. So I got this part already ready, the pencil skirt. And guys, I got a T marked at the top, so I know what's the top from the bottom. And guys, when you guys are doing y'all fabric, for those who sew, when you're looking for the scratch, you look for the scratch from right to left for your, so it can fit with your hips, not the scratch to go up and down. But this is actually a four-way scratch, so we good. So guys, this is the other part, the top part. So now what I'm going to do, guys, this fabric is cute. And you can I wear this with some gold heels. So now what I'm going to do is the back, this raw edge just kind of messed up. I'm going to trim the fabric to make it neatly and get rid of the raw edge. I wish I'd have did this before the video started, because I try to make my videos really simple. So the raw edge, and this is a knit fabric, guys. A thicker knit, so you're not going to need a lining or anything with this. So I'm just cutting off the back edge because there's some imperfections. So, and then with this fabric, if I don't want to hem it, I don't have to. So the still picture that's in the video, that's the dress that we're making. And you guys can switch it to any color that you want. And I'm showing you guys how to do the top piece, the top of the piece. So of the dress. So once we get that done, okay, I got the raw edge, and then I want to make sure, you guys can't see me, then I want to make sure it's even on each side. So I took the raw edge from the back, and now I want to make sure that it's even from top to bottom. Make sure that it's even from top to bottom. So now that it's even from top to bottom, guys, what we're going to do with this part, so basically the dress, this is how it's going to go. So let's see which width. And then if you guys don't want it this wide, you guys can cut it more to make it a little bit smaller. But I kind of want mine to drape over. So I'm okay with this. So I'm imagining, okay, I got it, and I got it from right to left. So now what I want to do is, because this is going to be the part of the dress that's going to be connected to the skirt piece, okay? So then it's going to go up above your head and flip over. So this is going to be connected to this piece, guys. So now, say, for instance, this was right sides together, right? So now what I got to find is, so if it's right sides together, if the dress is right sides together, it's going to sew and connect to this piece, this piece. So now I got to fold this back like this, and now I need to find where I'm going to put the V at. Okay, because just imagine this is the center. So now what I need to see is where my V-neck gonna go. So if I don't want it, I hope I'm getting in the frame. So now this will be my V-neck. So don't start right at the end, guys. So where's my marker? So we will go, we'll move like, and then make it closer together, guys, because the deeper you cut it, the bigger it's going to be. So if you guys see, I made that little indentation. So I'm going to do it and cut smaller, because the bigger you cut it, guys, the wider the neckline going to be. So I'm staying close as possible to the back of the dress, okay? So now, basically, this part of the dress, it'll go back forward. And if you guys can see, what's going to happen is my body goes in. You guys can see my body. And with the drooping on the side goes in. So you see that, guys? And then this skirt is going to connect to this part. And then the back of the dress, I got to even it out, guys. I got to make sure I got it even. So the point is making it even, guys. So when I line it up, I need to make sure that I got it even. It really got to be even, even, even. And I want the arms like that. So the next step is I'm going to connect the skirt. This part, you're going to connect the top to this part. So if you guys seeing how it's going to look. And then it drapes over like that. So guys, this is a really easy sew along. Then the more V-neck you want it, then just cut it down more, guys. The less you want it, then cut it down less. So I'm going to put the skirt together, then we'll go to attaching this part. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Okay, guys, your girl A-Marie from Avery Lakes Wigs. So the next step is, guys, after the split, so remember I was saying be careful with how wide you make the split, because it can be very, you know, open. So if you guys see, I got my split, and then this part is going to have to get hemmed. It's not attached yet, guys. I'm just kind of showing y'all. So this is kind of what it's looking like. The skirt is sewn, but this is not. I don't got enough wide room. But if you guys see, now guys, the longer that you guys want the drape, the more yards you got to get. I didn't want mine to drape all the way down on the floor. So guys, if you want it like the ladies in the picture, then you guys go longer with this part, and you will get the drape going all the way down. So guys, when I say connect it right sides together, this will be the right size, and then I'm going to sew this to the skirt and stop it here, and I'm going to stop it there. The back is not going to be sewn. The back is not going to be sewn. So with the square edge, guys, I don't know if I like it as much. Uh-oh, almost brought one of the girls out. But then I guess it's cool, because I like if I don't got enough room, but if you guys see, if I spread out my arms, if I had enough room, y'all see that? How it has that like wing effect, but it drapes down like this. So that's the next step, guys. I'm finna connect the skirt to the top part of the shirt, and then I'm finna do the hemming. So guys, when you guys do this, don't make the split too far, because you'll have it'll be wide like this. I should have made it more close together. So you don't want, if you don't want to show a lot of cleavage, don't do it. So far, this is what it's looking like. I'm finna connect it, and I'm gonna come back to you guys, and I'm gonna hem this and hem this. Matter of fact, guys, when I come back, it's gonna be done, and I'm gonna throw in some gold heels. But you guys see how easy this is to make this dress like this. And then for my ladies that want to be super sexy in the summertime, if you want to show, so I know a lot of us women like to show the buttocks, you can take this and fold it under. See that? And probably tie this around. Find a nice little way and tie it around. If I don't like that. Nah, I don't like that. But if you want it where you're going to show your butt, then you cut it. Cut it and make it shorter where it can show butt. You know, but no, I don't like how that look. Yeah, I don't like how that look. I don't know. Maybe if you connect it in here or something, you know, without it being sewn, I don't like how that looked tied in the front. So maybe you can connect it under like tuck it, like take it and tuck it under, around, and kind of give you, I don't like that neither, guys. Let me just stop. I don't like that look neither. Let me finish with the look that we was going for. Okay, guys. All right. Stay tuned. Okay, guys. So if you can see, I lined it up where I got my my top part of the dress connected to the front part of the skirt. So when we say right sides together, it's right sides together. But this is a very simple project to make, guys. Remember, the longer you want it, buy more fabric and it'll drape longer. And the shorter you want it, then the shorter. I don't want mine to drape all the way down. So now I'm starting to connect the top to the bottom of the skirt. Right sides together. Come on. I hate when I do that. So we're connecting it. So that would be the way that you guys will connect this. And then the last part, guys, I'm just going to do the hemming of the dress around the neckline and stuff. I'm going to have to rethread my machine because I'm about to run out of thread. And like I said, this one is with a square shape. So if you guys want a round shape, just you would circle the ends around to make it round. And I might actually wind up doing that. I'm not for sure yet. So okay, so now if you guys can see, it's connected. So now I just have to finish all the hemming process. So now the top part of the skirt is connected to the front part of the skirt. So let me do the hemming, guys, because like I said, it's pretty much self-explanatory, and I'm gonna get that done and I'm gonna come back to you guys. Stay tuned. Guys, it's your girl A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wig. So guys, if you can see, I am all done with the dress, and like I said, if you guys want it to be rounded off, you can round it off. I just grabbed the first pair of gold shoes, some little new ones that I had sitting. These probably won't be the ones that I will wear. I probably will wear the ones that's more gold, like the gold that's in this dress. I just grabbed the first shoes that I see. A lot of my shoes is kind of packed up a little bit, so it takes some getting. You got to go through some things. But guys, if you guys can see, this was a real easy, simple, easy to make dress. So, like I say, this part just flips over. And for the ladies that wouldn't want, you know, wouldn't want that part flipped over, wouldn't want to cover up their buttocks, just cut it shorter. So I was trying to, I can't even get under here. But like, if I could find the back of the dress, hold on. And you can tuck it, guys. You could take it and tuck it if you want to show more of your, you know, your butt. You don't want your butt kind of covered. You can kind of take it and tuck it so that when you're wearing it, if you want to show your butt. And if not, and then remember, like I was saying, also ladies and gentlemen, if you guys want to, you know, there's guys, I know that wear women's clothes. If you guys also want to make it round, it don't have to be square like this. You can make it round. So there you go, guys. You guys can make this outfit at home and tell me what you guys think. Oh God, I get tongue-tied. I was at the fabric store, guys, and I've been going to this fabric store for years. Look what they had in there. And I launched a video. I put that in another video. Guys, they got Swiss lace for the wigs. They have it in there. And I asked the lady if I link the you know, their store or whatever, would she be willing to ship? And she said no. She said that the only way that she would sell, and they have it in different colors too. I like this lighter color. She said the only way that she will do it is that they will have to buy close to 25 yards. But guys, yes, the Swiss lace, and they have all the different colors, but I like mine's kind of the brighter color. I don't like the real dark brown lace, so when I part it, it kind of mimics scalp a little bit better. I've never seen the Swiss lace in there, but yes, they had it in all colors. They had the Swiss lace in black, green, blue, every color. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, God bless, guys. Bye bye.